Local news for Wednesday, the 25th of March. Wairarapa now has its second case of COVID-19. A man in his 30s was the first reported in the region and the 38th in New Zealand, with the confirmation yesterday of a female in her 20s, case number 140. The new look entrance to Wairarapa Hospital is in effect. The procedure provides an opportunity to screen people before entering the hospital. There will also be a limit on visitors, and visitor hours strictly enforced. It's only one per patient, one visitor per patient, and no one under the age of 12 years. And the announcement of the 2020 Outstanding New Zealand Food Producer Award medal winners includes Wairarapa businesses. So here's some good news. Greytown Honey won an Earth Gold medal and 6 silvers. Fernglen Farm Sheep Milk won a gold in the dairy section. Wairarapa Eggs, a gold for paddock, and Hinakura Honey also picked up a silver. So well done to all those businesses. And Lisa Allpress has extended her lead in the New Zealand Jockeys Premiership at Tohiraniko last Sunday when she rode a double, which included victory aboard Italian Lover in the Masterton Cup. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. And remember, MoreFM, live and local, 6 days a week, right through the next tough 4 weeks ahead. But don't worry, we can do this. Stay safe. Kia kaha.